about the summary of the first lesson. The project. It means from the first flight. The name of that lesson is A Letter to God. Today I want to teach you all through my projector uh, of this chapter, and today I will teach you the meaning of this chapter according to paragraph wise. I will read first each paragraph, then I will tell the meaning of each paragraph, and you need to watch only on the monitor with the help of my cursor. And you can say this way, you can easily understand where I am teaching what. So let us start. First of all, I think I told you all about the summary of this essay, story. It is written by G.L. Fuentes, a letter to God. Let me start from the text. This one is the text. You can easily watch on the monitor. This one is the text. From here I start. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lancho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. First of all, let me tell the difficult meaning of the hard word. Here, I think harvest you all know crop fasal, and after then downpour you can say वर्षा rain, and after then intimately it means closely घनिष्ठ रूप में. In this paragraph the writer is saying one day Lancho is going to. In this paragraph, the writer is describing about the house of the Lancho, where his house is situated. The writer is saying that his house is situated at the crest of a low hill, and from there, at the crest, you can say top place of the low hill, and from there anyone can see easily. From that height, anyone can see easily way the entire valley. Yeah, you can say the whole field that is dotted. It means in the entire valley, or you can see in the whole field. At a few places, there are cultivated. There are crops are cultivated there. So from that place, the writer is saying if anyone looks from that highest place, easily he understands upcoming time the crop that is cultivated. It will give a good product. It will give a good product. The only thing the earth needed, and here Lancho is saying that the only thing that needs his field, that is a light rain or shower, you can say at least a shower throughout the body. And for this thing, Lancho does not do anything for since morning. He has been looking at the sky. He does not like to do anything, because when he visits his field, when he looks from the highest, from the topest place of that of that hill, he finds his field needs a little shower, a little rain. So being a farmer, he has no option except thinking if God will give such type of thing, it will provide, it will give him a good crop, such type of thing he is thinking, and he is looking towards the sky. In this way, in this paragraph, the writer first describes about the condition of the house where Lencho's house is situated, and after that, when Lencho looks from that place to his field, he knows which type of thing his field needs, because a farmer is like a doctor. As doctor, as soon as he or she looks his patient, he needs which type of medicine he or she needs. In this way, he is also farmer. He easily understands now his field needs a little rain. And after then, in this way it's over. Let us see next paragraph. I am here, you can easily understand, find where I am. I am here, I am making this thing in a light blue color, so you can understand this one is here. Now we are really going to get some water, woman? The woman who was preparing supper replied, yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, come for dinner. It was during the meal that. Now when he returns from his house, you can see now when he comes to his house, first of all he talks his woman and he is asking her, that woman is preparing that woman is preparing the food, night food, and he is asking her a little rain our field needs, a little rain we need, and she is replying, yes, if God will, if it is God's will, if God wills, if God wants, He will provide us water, rain, such type of things. He is saying. Who's saying? His woman is saying such type of thing. God wants, then it will be possible. And after the writer is saying he has children, older boys. He has older boys. They are playing. They are working in the field, and smaller ones. They are playing near the house, and they are doing their work until their mom, their mother does not call them. After then come for dinner. Until she calls them for dinner. After then I am here. It was during the meal that as just was during the meal. Okay. It was during the meal that just as Lancho had predicted. Big drop big, big drops of rain began to fall. It had not been very late. A few minutes earlier, Lancho predicted his field needs a little rain, and after few minutes later, his predict has been converted into the realism Earth began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And as he predicted, according to his prediction, he looks from the northeast side, huge mountains of clouds are coming, and in very few minutes the rain starts, and each and everyone comes out from home, and they are feeling the pleasure. They are feeling the pleasure of rain over his body, over their body. And after then, when he returned, he exclaimed, "These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are now coins. The big drops are tens and sixes and little ones are fives." And first of all, when they find it is about to rain, they come out from when he comes out from his home, and when starting time he feels that this one is raining, but very after few minutes it has been converted, it has been changed into hailstone, and now they are saying, they are looking that it's not rain, but they are new coins, and they are saying raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. The big drops are 10 pieces and little ones 5. It means they are saying here it is not a hailstone, but here they are comparing the raindrop. It means here till now it is raining. It is not a hailstone, but it is raining, and they are comparing. When they come out from the home, they feel the pleasure over their body, and they are comparing now. This one is the not raindrop, but the small big drop are like 10 cent pieces, and little ones are 5 pieces. When they are comparing, it's a very, they understand what is the value of that rain, so they are comparing with money, because money is very important in the life of poor, you can say this way, in the region 5, this thing. They are comparing this way. And after then what happened, with a satisfied expression he regarded the field, a ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind, with a great satisfactory way, with a great satisfaction, he is expressing that now for the upcoming time it will be great for them. It will be great crop for them, draped in a curtain of rain, and he is thinking that all over the valley, valley is covered with the raindrop. But what happened? Suddenly, what he was thinking earlier, everything has been collapsed, everything has been changed. But suddenly, a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. These truly did resemble new silver coins. It means suddenly, after few minutes later, they find that all the raindrop has been changed into the hailstones. And in the starting time, when they find raindrop, they were comparing with the coins. But now, when they find this one is the hailstone, they are comparing it with new silver coins. Resemble प्रतीत होना new silver coins. They are comparing this these hailstones are like new silver coins. The boys exposing themselves to the rain ran out to collect the frozen pearls. And whenever you look falling down, whenever you look falling hailstone, you easily way on the ground see that the small is up the small piece of snow is like a silver coins, and the boys they come out from the house and they start collecting the frozen pearls. They feel and all the hailstones seem to be pearls. They are collecting. They come out from the house. It means I completed two paragraph. Let us see next paragraph. It's really getting. I think my video will be very large. So I stop here, and later I will tell you.